So I'm basically from a startup, NetPhoenix. We are working very closely with IIT Madras, with Professor Aimamurthy and Professor Umesh. Okay, so mainly 3 products we want to demonstrate which we have developed. So one is for the NPTEL. So the NPTEL basically they have a lot of lectures, like around 8,000 to 9,000 lectures in English, that they want to convert into another 11 languages, Indian languages. So for that they were manually trying to do so many things, but there are a lot of issues. So we try to give solution for that with the help of our ASR and machine translation, okay, and TTS. Okay, so how this has been integrated, how the product, and also they have a workflow. So it's a quite complex workflow, but I will try to minimize the workflow and try to show the demo how it works. So this has a lot of dashboard and their workflow stuffs, which I'm not getting into that. So there are a lot of projects. So each each lecture there are so many lessons will be there. So for example, I'm just going to add one. So here, if you look at the tabs in the top, so you have many things like project manager, activities, languages. These are their flows actually. So each and every project they will assign a particular project manager, and they'll have a lot of activities will be there, and what are the different languages they want to convert this particular lecture into, and who's going to attend that, who are the users, and what are the different kind of activities. So basically here the challenges, one is the translation, another one is the transcription. So when they do transcription, we cannot say that it will be 100% accurate. So there may be errors will be there, then they should be able to correct those errors. At the same time, after the transcription is done, if the translation is also happened, there may be errors in the translation. So there also the error needs to be corrected. So for those 2 places, human intervention will be there, and remaining things will happen automatically. Once all this done, everything is okay. Again, we fed this data into our system so that our system will learn again the data which is already we got. I'm just adding a video. So this can be either add a video, or you can just specify the URL, because they have all the videos are uploaded into the YouTube. So I have to add a URL. I'm taking some URL. For the demo purpose, it's a small URL. So I can choose the language, whatever the language I want to. It's a Telugu and Hindi. So it's a male or female, we can, depends on the lecture, whoever is did. And then I just do a save. So basically it does the many things automatically, because I've configured it in such a way that it does automatically. So no manual intervention. So here you can see the right side and what and all is happening here. So once this is done, you see now the download is completed, it automatically the text to speech will get initiated. So that will also get completed. So you can look at the task, what is happening. So that will be, all the status will be shown here. So speech to text also now completed. Now I can choose one of this one, like I can assign it to a user. So basically I should go through this workflow. So I'm just saying that maybe the Hindi user thing. I can say assign to. I'll use this is a Telugu one. I assign to a Telugu user. I want to convert it to Telugu. Just do a save. So user is assigned. Now I just click on this. Now we can see here, this is the video, and you can see the right side you have Telugu and left side you have English. So all those steps you can correct it. Suppose if you feel there is a problem in the ASR output, they can go here and you can correct it. Same thing if you have a problem in the TTS, you can go and correct it. For example, I want to correct something here. I can just click here and I can make some modification. I don't know Telugu, but I just try to type something, you can see. Something Amy or something I'm just putting here. So that means this word will come here. I can just regenerate the text, okay, so that you will get the audio also will be synced with that. So suppose if I don't know, suppose I want to change in the English side, so I can change the meaning of English side. I can regenerate from the English so that it can corresponding Telugu will be generated there. So then you can have a video according to that. So once this is everything is done, then basically you are going to do a generate video. So here, yeah.
Show the ASR subtitles
Subtitles were not generated, sir. So. And typing also, if somebody is having a problem in typing, we have also provided here. They can just select this mic and then speak, and that will be, the words will come here. For example, mail pumpincharu. I'm not sure what I did said is correct. Oh, okay, sorry, I should allow it. Mail pumpincharu. So that, I think this is the right word, I guess. I don't know, sir. Okay. So I can cut and paste it here and see if I don't want to type it. So once that is done, then I will do a generate video. Basically, it generates a video. So once the video is getting generated, then you will be able to see it automatically play the video. You can see the top, what is happening. Now it's actually not a lip sync. Basically, when we say lip sync here, we are trying to match because when we translate it, so what will happen, it won't match the exact original video source. So we try to match that, so that it exactly matches that. I think lip sync is completed. Okay.
సైబర్ భద్రత అంటే ఏమిటి?
Okay.
గోప్యతా సిద్ధాంతం అనేది అనధికార యాక్సెస్ లేదా నేరాలకు వ్యతిరేకంగా పరికరాలు.
I'm not very sure whether it's correct or not. So
గోప్యతా సంపూర్ణత మరియు
not only this, so you will be able to not only correct that, you can right click it and you can merge and split and all those stuffs you can do it, the words. Okay, suppose if it is not proper, then you can merge it or you can split it, depends on that. Okay. So this is about NPTEL what we have done, and I'll move to the next demo, which we have done it for Lok Sabha. So Lok Sabha, one challenge was they're having a committee meeting will be happening. So in that committee meeting, there are multiple region people are coming there. So everyone talks in their own language. So then they will try to understand each other so that how that can be solved, that problem can be solved. So we had a discussion with professors, and according to their idea, we have implemented that. I'll just show you a demo of it. So this is basically a multiple meetings can be scheduled and all. So I'll just show you one already existing one, then I'll show you the demo of it. So for example, if we take a particular meeting which has already happened, maybe I'll take one which has happened. Okay, I'll just select on this. So you can see here in the left and right side. So here one is this side, left side. You have actual speaker, whatever they spoke. The right side, which is the language which I want to listen. So there may be a multiple language people, they can sit and listen on it. So it is not only showing the text, it will also, you can play it. So this we want to make it as automatic also. So that will be the next version we are going to do it. So for example, if I want to, this is in Hindi, Bengali I guess. So suppose if I have some other languages, for example, like Tamil, so then I can select this Tamil, then I can just start playing this Tamil. So same way, if it is some other language, so I can just, for example, Hindi, so I can select. So you can see automatically all the languages, whenever we select a particular language, it changes according to that. So let me just move to the demo. I'll just a quick demo. This is a empty meeting. I'm just going to have it. So I'll just keep the both source and target. I can choose the language which I want to speak right now. So I think once the dialization and all once comes, it automatically will identify that thing. So now I'm going to choose English maybe, that I'm comfortable. So I'm just going to speak now. This is a demo. Hope everybody likes this demo. So you can see here left side whatever I've spoken. But this particular meeting I configured for English and Telugu, Tamil and like that. So I just maybe I go to the Telugu one. So I can just play this.
ఇది ఒక డెమో. ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ ఈ డెమోను ఇష్టపడతారని ఆశిస్తున్నాను.
I hope this is correct, I guess. So like that, no, each and every people can speak and they can have their headset and they can listen in their own language. So it makes that breaks the barrier of language. So this is the second one, and also they can download all their information, who speaks what, and all those the details can be downloaded here. And also we have a beta version of WAD implemented. So I think the next version will remove the beta and the WAD will be there. Okay. I'll move to the third one. Third one is we have done for High Court, Kerala High Court actually. So there the challenge for them is the judge or the accused or whoever is there giving the statements. The statements will be recorded and it will be automatically the text has to generate it for that. And there should be multiple people to correct it. So basically, multiple people can edit it, the text, whatever is generated there. Maybe I'll upload a file or something. So I can say English or English or some other language. I'll choose Hindi. We can speak also. So generally they want to speak only because they go to the accused or whoever is the people and they go and give the mic so that they speak. That will be recorded automatically. So here give a title. Oops. I'm going to choose a file in Hindi. I'm just going to choose this. I don't know what is this in there. So I should be able to get the text. It's a simple one. So basically they will talk a huge sentence. And this can be, another person can log in. For example, there is one more person is logging in. So he can also log in here. For example, I log in as Shankar, this is login as JP. Right, we'll proceed. So this is the testing basically I've done. So I think I should. Oh, I think. Oh, this is Lok Sabha. Oh, okay. I think, okay, that's Lok Sabha. Okay, fine, anyway. So this is basically a editing of multiple people. So they can just log in their browser and they can start editing it. The idea is the government data, basically the court data, they don't want to put it in a Google, a drive or somewhere, the people can read all the information. So they want to keep it only within the judicial. So that's the reason this application is built. So these are the three applications we've made with the help of Umesh sir and Hema ma'am. So that's all from our side. So thank you very much.